and using pointer, let's draw a circle. Without changing the point O. So this is a circle with a radius of 20 centimeters. So in this manner, we'll construct a circle. Let's go to the next concept, the constructing angles using protractor. We know already we have discussed about the protractor. This is an instrument which is called a protractor, and we can see 0 to 180 degrees on this, starting with 0 and ending with 180. The initial point is this O, and we have drawn a line segment to right hand side, and we'll take the 0 as the starting point, and just we'll make the angle with the base of an angle, arms of an angle. This is the base. So 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 degrees, which makes perpendicular. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 0 to 180. And if you roll that line segment on left hand side as the base, we have taken starting O to A. On the right hand side of the protractor, we draw a line and makes an angle with the base, so it makes some of the angle. And if we draw a line segment on the left hand side of this protractor, and then we start measuring from 0 here, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170 and 180 degrees. So this is how we know semicircle, half of the circle, which makes 180 degrees angle. So using protractor, we draw some of the angles. Let's construct an angle of 30 degrees. We need to construct. So let's take protractor and just keep it, and if we take it, this is the initial point, and draw a line segment, initial point and line segment. So this is a line segment, and we'll take the initial point, and let's draw a 30 degrees angle. And we have drawn, let's see, this is a line segment we have drawn on the right hand side of this protractor. So we need to measure from right hand side 30 degrees. This is a 30 degrees. So this is the 0, 10, let's say 18. From here we need to count, because there is no base on the left hand side, so we should not count from left. So count from the right hand side of the protractor. 0, 10, 20, 30. This is 30 degrees. So just keep a point on the protractor, 30 degrees. And after that, just take out this protractor and join with the line segment. This point and the initial point. Initial point we take it as A, and this point as initial point as O, and the last end point or terminal point is called A. Take it as A. You can take any one of the letter alphabet and draw angle. Join these 2 points. We have joined these 2 points. So the angle made here is 30 degrees. So let's take the terminal point here as B. So AOB is 30 degrees. Angle AOB. We have learned in geometry how to represent an angle. This is the angle. This is a representation of angle. Angle AOB is 30 degrees. So we have constructed 30 degrees angle, and similarly we can construct different types of angles. That is, let's draw 30 degrees, let's draw 60 degrees. So 60 degrees. Now on the different side of the protractor we'll draw. So let's take this protractor and keep it here, and just this is the center of the protractor, center, initial point, and let's draw left hand side of it so that we get experience what is the difference between to draw a line segment on the right or left. And just keep it here, and left hand side we have drawn. There is no line segment on the right hand side of the protractor, but it has left hand side. So from the left we will count of 60. So because there is no line segments, that the reason will not come from right, it will not make the angle on the right hand side, because there is no base of it. There is a base, or there is an initial side, from there it starts. So it starts from here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 60 degrees here. So let's take the point here, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. So we'll take out this point and we'll join these 2 points. We'll join these 2 points, the initial point and what angle the made. Initial point is this, and after making an angle, we have made to keep the point here, so A, and one of the terminal point here, B. So the angle is angle AOB. Angle AOB. You know how to represent angle. This is the symbol for angle, and we have constructed 60 degrees. So this is a 60 degrees angle. Angle AOB is 60 degrees. This is the process to construct an angle. So let's take another angle, 120 degrees, an obtuse angle. You know different types of angles we have learned. These are acute angles we have drawn. Let's draw for obtuse angle. So to draw obtuse angle, this is the initial point. We draw a line segment 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110, 110, 100, 90, 100, 110, 120 is the point. So this is the initial point O, and this is the terminal point after that. So these 2 points we need to join, the initial point O, and this is the point, the angle which is made. So join these 2 points. After joining these 2 points, it made an angle. So the angle is 120 degrees. So this is the terminal point, and if you extend, this is the point here. This is a ray. 2 rays will always draw 2 rays. Joining of 2 rays makes an angle. That's the definition we have learned in geometry part. This is 120. So this is name it as B. We can name any one of the things, but usually we are writing the parts of angle AOB, angle COD, angle M and O, or something we can take it in. So angle AOB is 120 degrees. So in this manner, we'll construct different types of angles. Let's go to the next concept, to draw different types of angles using compass. See how to construct a quadrilateral. Construct a quadrilateral where the lengths of 4 sides and one of the diagonal is given. So construct a quadrilateral PQRS where PQ is equals to 4 centimeters, QR is equals to 6 centimeters, RS is equals to 5 centimeters, and TS is 5.5 centimeters, PR is 7 centimeters. So here we got all 4 sides and one of the diagonal. So using the 4 sides and one of the diagonal, we need to construct a quadrilateral. So let's draw the rough diagram of this PQRS. So PQ is equals to rough diagram. PQR is PQ. PQ is 4 centimeters and QR is 6 centimeters. QR is 6 centimeters and PR, we know PR 7 centimeters. It's a diagonal. And RS is 5 centimeters. It's one of the side, 5 centimeters. And PS or SP, PS is 5.5 centimeters. So here we got 4 sides. The 4 sides are, this is one of the sides, second, third and fourth. 4 sides and one of the diagonal. This is the diagonal. So using 4 sides and one of the diagonal means to construct quadrilateral. So let's start. You know, we have learned in previous classes about these instruments. It's a ruler or scale, and this is compass we call. And using this compass, we'll construct a quadrilateral. So scale. So let's draw first. PQ is equals to 4 centimeters. So we are taking approximately the measurements, not exact measurements, because here the centimeters is 4 centimeters. So we cannot construct 4 centimeters. It looks very small. So that's the reason we are taking approximate all the values. So PQ 4 centimeters. Let's draw PQ is 4 centimeters. So this is PQ. It's 4 centimeters. First we draw PQ, this side, 4 centimeters. After that, QR is 6 centimeters. Take 6 centimeters radius on the scale. So 6 centimeters radius on the scale we have taken. This is 6. So QR we need to construct using the vertex Q. So R, let's draw. So QR, this is QR. We got R somewhere here, the point. So QR we have constructed. So next one, when we take this P to R and then it forms a triangle, then we can construct a quadrilateral easily. So 2 triangles will form a quadrilateral. We know the diagonal will divide the quadrilateral into 2 parts. So that's the reason we'll construct the triangle first. So PR, we know PR is 7 centimeters. It's a diagonal. So let's take this 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. So let's take the 7 centimeters of the compass. So 7 centimeters from P. So 7 centimeters make an arc. Using P, we made an arc. So PR, PQ is 4 centimeters. QR is 6 centimeters. We have drawn. And QR, so PR is 7 centimeters. Now we got a triangle. Let's see this side, PQ, QR and PR, we got a triangle. So using this triangle we can construct a quadrilateral. So let's see what is left out here is RS. Using R we can make an arc. So RS is 5 centimeters. Let's take 5 centimeters radius on compass. So 5 we have taken. Using R, let's take 5 centimeters. We took 5 and make an arc. So 5 centimeters we took. Using R, we made an arc. So next one, at last one is PS. Using D, let's construct 5.5. 5.5. So this is 5.5 centimeters. And this is S. So PQRS. So we got PQRS quadrilateral. So let's join this all the vertex, all the vertices. Let's join. So this is PQ. So PR. Let's join PR first, and then QR. Then it forms a triangle. We know. QR, it forms a triangle. Then RS, let's join RS, and then PS. So we got a quadrilateral. PQRS is a quadrilateral. This is a required quadrilateral using 4 sides and one of the diagonal. So let's go to the next one.